Hello, just a quick video. I've got some new stock in today that I'm going to show. Some are restock, some are new stocks. These are blue cabochons, resin. They really catch the light. They're new. If you search 12mm blue resin cabochons, they will come up. And then we've got these. I was thinking Christmas. Here we go. Let's get these. These are 8mm, 10 and 12mm. Red. So these will make nice Christmas jewellery in a setting. They're obviously flat back for glue. With those. With these cute little hats. Pink, turquoise and purple. You can just stick them on your crafts. Look at the detail, really good. So there's a hat flat backs. These have been restocked. These sell really well. Tiny little charms, resin. And if you haven't checked out the European charm bracelets, beads and charms, I'll put a link in. These are another new type of bracelet. What you do, you open them like this. Add your beads or charms to the end. Put that there and then squeeze it in. There we go. And there's your bracelet, nice and strong. I think those are different sizes. Let me see. Yes, these are different sizes. Ooh, there we go. Click on. So there's different sizes of those. Just put them in the right bag. Remember, I want to see what you've been making with all the beads you've been buying. Right, that's that one. With some pretty little white resin flowers. We have these. These used to be popular when people made the phone cases. So glittery. Oh, so pretty though. So those are on, if you look up flower flatbacks, you'll find them on the website. The website is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. These are available in 8, 10 and 12mm. And these are, they remind me of snowflakes. They're lovely. We've got some stainless steel French lever earrings. They open like that. And what do I have? These would sit inside of one of those if you wanted to. So those are available in lots of different sizes. So stainless steel French lever earrings. I'm going to be making some autumn bangles. I'm just waiting for some more supplies to come in. And these are copper pine cone charms. They're so sweet. And they're 3D, so they're the same all the way around. So be looking out for a tutorial on those. It's on the bracelet. Look at these. Watermelon. Can you see? They've got faces. Watermelon people. So sweet. I'll just get some out. We have mermaid tails in lots of different colours. Those are a restock, they're already on the website, but those are nice. And then we have some cabochon settings in black. These are 20mm. They will take a 20mm cabochon. I have lots of black findings on the website. And I've got some chain in gold and silver. We have this one. And we also have it in silver. I did show you how to make your own necklaces with adding lobster clasp and jump rings. So that's a tutorial if you want to check how to make your own necklace chains. Excited for these. These are lovely for Christmas. These are going to make fantastic earrings. Nice and stripy. In the red and green and white Christmas colours. Trying to think how big they are. I think they're 16mm. So chunky. And and coloured earrings. You don't want to have the standard gold, silver, rose gold, copper. You can have different colours. That would make nice autumn earrings. A rusty colour. So that's the new stock I've had come in and I've got on the website. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.